Aren't you cute? What a cutie. Oh, you're just a little thing. She's purring up a storm.
Oh, that's so cute.
Girl. Yes, she's very sweet. Making little muffins. Just a little feminine kitty. There you go. Pick her up here. It's a girl. Hang on. Whoop. Oh, she's purring in my ear. Oh, here we go. It's a girl. You look in the camera there. Oh, she's not. Not gonna look in the camera. Aww. That's it. Oh, you like to snuggle. She's purring so loud. What a cutie. Yeah. What's that? Huh?
I got one of those.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll put you back in. Here you go. You want to play a little bit? I know you're playful.
He likes to carry things around in his mouth, though, like praying, you know?
Yeah.
Like I've noticed, like he'll pick up these little mice and he'll just like trot around with it in his mouth. Like he's all proud. Yeah.
Oh, she got it.
Your little tail.
She's got it.
Cute.
I'm tired.
Breather.
He's like, I'm tired.
He's watching.
Oh, she caught it. Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.